Good day everyone, I'm John Carl Mayol. I'm going to mix two cocktails and first is Tom Collins. Tom Collins composed of gin, shake and build, garnish orange and cherry. Ingredients 1 jigger gin, 1 jigger sugar syrup, and soda water. And preparation is pour gin sugar syrup and ice into the shaker. Yeah. Then strain pour soda water, then garnish or
Nanggita siya ni. Si Mayo lang siya, ay si Mayo, si Tagalog yung sunod. Hindi, tawag ka. Tawag ka. I-shake. Oh, shake. Open. Open. Yeah, ice. Guys. Ang bata na may pakita. Kita. Kaya ba itong kano? Itong nasa kwan? Sprite.
Garnish.
Cherry.
next is screwdriver. Primary alcohol by volume is vodka, served on the rocks, poured over ice. Standard is orange slice. Yeah. Standard drinkware is highball glass, and the ingredients is 5 cl vodka, 10 cl orange juice, and the preparation is mixed in a highball glass with ice, garnish and serve.